Sharks have been around longer than trees. That's right, nature decided to roll out predators before plants. Imagine that. Then there's HD 189733b, a planet where it literally rains glass sideways. Talk about a hostile environment. Ever notice you fart more on airplanes? Blame the cabin pressure, it makes your gas expand. Sorry to anyone sitting near aisle 12. And goats? They have rectangular pupils. They're seeing the world in widescreen, which is pretty wild. Finally, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Just let that sink in for a moment. It's a big universe out there. Follow for more science facts you didn't know you needed.